Hello friends, good morning. This is me Neeraj Kumar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Neeraj George. Friends, first of all, thank you for clicking this video. First of all, thank you for visiting my channel. Friends, thank you for audience who are watching me. Friends, first of all, please subscribe my channel and please like this video. Please support me. Why I am saying this thing, friends. If you subscribe my channel, if you like this video, I get motivation and I will work hard for fulfill my dreams. Friends, why I am recording this video? First of all, my dreams that I have decided I will make video till 1 year, because after 1 year I want to be fluent in English. It is my dream. You have to support me, friends. You have to watch this video till the end. Please do in comment how do you like this video, friends. What I am speaking in English, friends. I want to speak on this video on the very closer topic. Yes, it is time, friends. The value of time, friends. Time heals everything. Time heals everything. Time heals everything, friends. you know if you use time right way, if you use time in a right way, you can achieve in your life anything. But you waste your time, it means you waste your life. If you waste your dreams and you waste your future, and you can impact, you can bad impacts others life. But friends, you use time in a right way, you can achieve special in your life. Friends, who person became successful, they used their time in a right way. Friends, you know there are so many people, they are living in their life in a useless way. They are doing laziness activities. They fun with their friends, but it is not right to enjoy your life. Please, first of all, first priority of time, first priority of time. Friends, your work is first priority. Please do your work with hard work, because your identity gets from your work. Friends, you cannot compare anything with time, because time, there is no thing you can compare with it. Friends, you know some people says time is money. Some people says time is money, but it is incomplete statement. Why I am sharing this thing? Because friends, time is not money. Time is more valuable than money. Friends, you can achieve, you can get money while using your time, but you never get time while using your money. You can earn money in your future if you have time, but you don't get time if you have money. Friends, it is a special quality of time. It is a special quality of time. Friends, time is more valuable. It plays very significant role in our life. You use it in a right way, it may be very good thing for our future. Friends, some people waste their time, they never become sorry, and they never regret for wasting their time. Friends, they never regret. Please use your time in a right way. Friends, you know time heals everything. Time heals everything. Time heals everything. you know don't waste your time. If you are a student, I am not saying you should study whole day, but you should study enough. You should study 6 hours in a day. You also enjoy your life, but first of all, first priority of your work. Friends, because you are a student, you study well, you can get well in your future. Friends, these are my words, these are my thoughts about time. Friends, how do you like this video? Please do in comment box. Friends, in last video I want to say something with you. Friends, कि कोई इतना अमीर नहीं, कि कोई इतना अमीर नहीं कि अपना गुजरा हुआ वक्त खरीद सके, कि कोई इतना अमीर नहीं कि अपना गुजरा हुआ वक्त खरीद सके, और कोई इतना गरीब नहीं कि वो अपने आने वाला वक्त न बदल सके, कि कोई इतना गरीब नहीं कि वो अपना आने वाला वक्त न बदल सके। सो फ्रेंड्स, we will meet in the next video. Friends, you have to listen to me patiently. Thank you for listening me carefully. Friends, we will meet in the next video.